kinds of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate can be classified into three types, namely monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. Sources of energy. Carbohydrate are least expensive sources of energy to the body. 1 gram of carbohydrate provide 4 kilocalories. In Indian diet, 60 to 80% of energy is derived from carbohydrate. Next, protein sparing action. Insufficient amount of carbohydrates are not available in the diet. The body will convert protein to glucose in order to supply energy. Carbohydrate must be supplied in optimum amounts in the diet. Next, oxidation of fat, essential to maintain normal fat metabolism. Insufficient carbohydrate in the diet result large amount of fat being used for energy than the body is equipped to handle. This leads to accumulation of acidic intermediate product called ketone bodies. Then next, indispensability for nervous system. The main sources of energy for central nervous system is glucose. Prolonged hypoglycemia can lead to irreversible damage to the brain tissue. Next, role in muscles. Major sources of energy are muscular work, muscular contraction, glycogen to lactic acid. Recovery period, lactic acid, pyruvic acid, acetyl-CoA, CO2 and H2O. Next, role in liver. Glucuronic acid, a metabolite of glucose, serves as the detoxifying agent. It combines with harmful substance containing alcohol or phenolic group, converting them to harmless compound which are later excreted. And the next, sources of energy for heart muscles. Glucose sources of energy in hypoglycemia adversely affected heart function. And the next, synthesis of ribose from glucose. Ribose, RNA and in mainly nucleotides, hexose monophosphate pathway. And the next, conversion of fat. Excess calories in the form of carbohydrate is stored as fat in adipose tissue. And the next, promotes growth of desirable bacteria. Lactose promotes the growth of desirable bacteria in gastrointestinal tract. Lactose remains in the intestine longer than other disaccharides and thus encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria. Synthesis of B complex vitamin. And the next, contribution of dietary fiber. Insoluble fiber known as composite carbohydrate can absorb water and give bulk to intestinal content, which aids the elimination of waste product by stimulating peristaltic movement of gastrointestinal tract, helps in preventing many degenerative diseases. And the next, biosynthesis of amino acid. Carbon ketone for synthesis of alanine, aspartate and glutamate. And the next, structural of compound. Carbohydrate aid in the synthesis of non-essential amino acid glycoprotein which function as antibodies and glycolipids which form a part of cell membrane in the body tissue, especially brain and nervous system. Thanks.